So why like so we drive there. Light wire bus. Oh, so I'm on the so like so you know that's how it's up over and here. So wait, I said, maybe I go pass her, you know, come here, call her a long time.
Go and check that now.
Then if I want to chuck it out, so imagine if I was a carrier.
Yo, that not stay good none at all. Nobody never know that. Nobody can know that.
You say that car me 2 times.
You don't want to say you see me
Just left out right now, but they are 7 times. You don't know it? If anything, you can
Man, I saw I go on Harbour View, yeah. Yeah, man, and truck tear up out there on fire. Yeah, man. Truck well minced up. Out of Harborview, out of driving here, so. You copy that first and last night. Yeah man, truck catch a fire. Yeah man, truck burn up. You copy that? Yeah man, that are going outside right you know. Harborview light post broke up in a two or something. You copy that? Outside. Right now at 12:39. Right now in November yeah. 2021. Good.
Them that the way it's in